Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well today. So for today's video, we're going to be doing some reverse stamping. So I've started with my base already on. So I have Madame Glam's Darling, which is this beautiful muted purple. And then right over that on the tacky layer, I just went in with some of this iridescent powder. I don't remember whose powder this is, but it's one of the purple to green reflect ones. So that's my base. I've already started with that. So the products that we're going to be using today to stamp are from Maniology. They were nice enough to send me some products to try out for you guys. I do also have a code I will put on the screen now, and I will also have it down below. So if you guys are interested in picking up any of these items, you can. That is an affiliate code, so I do make a small commission if you decide to use that, but no obligation. So the first thing that I'm showing you here is a little kit that I chose. So this particular kit comes with two polishes, a black, a white, and then you get your no smudge top coat. And then it comes with a single plate. And they had different versions of these. So the plate that I chose is this one here, and it's got these really cute like book designs and stuff. That's the one we're going to be using today. And so it has little ones and then big ones. We'll be using a variety of these today, but that is the plate that it comes with. Inside of the kit, you also get a scraper and stamper, which we'll be using today. And then inside that kit, you also get your stamping guide, which just gives you all of the information you need in order to stamp well. They also sent me a set of polishes. Now, this is not included in the kit itself, but you can purchase these. The polish collection that I chose was the Snowflake Waltz. Let me go ahead and remove those polishes. So the colors that you get in that are Doll Dance, which is this beautiful blue. You get Toy Soldier, Harley Quinn, Ballet Flats, Marzipan, and Magic Hour. I will also be using their angle brush, and this is used to clean up around your cuticle areas or sidewalls. So let me go ahead and clean this up and we will set up for the tutorial. One thing I do before using any plate, whether it be from Maniology or any other brand, is to remove the blue film. They tend to have a protective film over them. And then I like to go in with a cotton ball or cotton round with acetone and just clean the plate so that I know that it is 100% clean. And I do recommend using 100% acetone and not just a fingernail polish remover. Fingernail polish removers tend to have conditioners which can affect your image when you pick it up. So I'm just going to give that a quick clean. Another product that you may find useful is this from Maniology, and this is just a tool to help keep your fingers clean. So you just go ahead and grab your cotton ball, and then you would soak it here. And then you would use that to clean your plate instead of your hands, and that just keeps your hands lint free. I also like to take my new stampers and just run them over a lint roller, and that will remove anything that's on there. And that step is optional, but I do find that with some stampers it is necessary. All right, so let's go ahead and pick our image that we're going to be working with today. So I think the first one I want to pick up is a full nail design. I'm going to go ahead and grab my black polish. Scrape down. And you want to do that relatively fast. The excess parts you can just go in and remove with your lint roller or a piece of tape. I'm just going to set that off to the side for a second, and then we're going to go ahead and clean our plate. And again, I just used my little pineapple here to do that. For reverse stamping, I went ahead and grabbed my palette and I just put out a little bit of each of those polishes. And then we're going to use a thin brush like this, or you can also use a small dotting tool like this. And I'll show you with both of those. So all we're going to do is quite literally just fill this in. Now you do want to keep this relatively thin while getting it opaque, because you do have to wait for this to dry completely before you can apply it. And then I like to have a little piece of paper towel that I just use to wipe off in between colors. You can also clean with acetone, but I find that that's not really necessary. So that's what it looks like when you flip it over. Now I'm going to set that aside and go ahead and let it dry. Here's a couple other ones that I did off camera. So that's what it looks like from the inside, and that one. I do find it easier to work with multiple stampers when doing this way because you need to wait for each layer to dry. So that's just another tip. So once that's filled in completely and it's had a chance to dry thoroughly, you're going to go in with some kind of sticky base. So I'm going to be using the sticky base coat from Maniology, but you can also use foil transfer glue or foil transfer gel if you're using gel polish products. That would also work. Go ahead and choose the nail that you want to put your stamping on. For these sticky base coats, you want to give that a little bit of time to dry and to actually become tacky. I'm going to go ahead and line that up on my nail, and you want to make sure that that has a chance to get tacky. Press down firmly and then release. If you have any on the sides that didn't stick down well, you just want to take a moment to kind of touch that. And just like that, you have a full nail. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other ones. You want to decide whether you're orienting that towards you or facing out. I'm going to do it towards me. Now I'm just going to go in with a little bit of acetone in my Dap Dish here, and then I am going to go in with a little angle brush, and anywhere around the edges that it meets, so like right here, I'm just going to go in with a little bit of acetone. And you can also use this to kind of melt the edges so that it sticks better. I wish I would have placed that a little more in the center, but it's hard while I'm recording, but for now that's fine. So for that pointer finger, I'm actually going to go in and just do some direct stamping. If you have anything left over on your stamper, just go ahead and run that over your lint roller or tape to clean it up. And then I want to use one of these words or sayings on this finger here. I think I'm going to go ahead and do the books are better than people there. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up my other nails off camera, and then I will meet you guys back to top coat. I went ahead and finished my stamping. I haven't completely cleaned up, so if you see stuff around my cuticles, that's why. But this is what I have so far. At this point, you could go in and use your smudge-free top coat. Because I'm using gel products underneath the actual stamping, I'm going to go ahead and use my non-wipe top coat that I need to cure in my LED lamp. But by all means, use the smudge-free top coat if you don't have gel products or you're not currently working with gel products. I'm going to go ahead and cure that in my LED UV lamp, and then I'm going to clean up my nails, and I will meet you guys back for the final reveal. Here's the final look, everyone. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial of reverse stamping. If you guys are interested in any of these products, they will be down below in the description box. And if you're interested in saving a little bit of money and supporting the channel, you can use my discount code down below. Again, that is an affiliate link, and I do get a little bit of commission on that. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave those down below. I will try to answer them as quickly as I can. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, have a great day.